All right, the purpose of this video is to show you how to sign into your Big Ideas online math book. Now, what you're going to need to do is, there's a place in this you're going to need to write something down. So before you do anything, grab a piece of paper and get a pencil. If you do not write down what they tell you to write down, it's going to be a mess. So make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil before you do anything. For the purpose of this demonstration, my name is going to be Practice Person, and I am going to join a practice class. I'm going to use an access code that was emailed to me by my teacher. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the website, which is bigideasmath.com, and it will take you to this login page. Now, right here it says New to Big Ideas Math. I'm going to pretend that you are a brand new student to the school because that's what some of you are. Or we're going to pretend that I am a brand new student to this school. So I'm not even going to use username or password because I haven't done this yet. So I am brand new, so I'm clicking on brand new. And it says to please enter your access code. Well, I'm going to use the access code that was emailed to me. Now, I don't want you to use the access code that I am currently using as the practice person. I want you to use your real access code. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to enter the access code for this particular class. And after I enter the access code, I'm going to click on Next. Okay, so I want you to enter the access code that you have been given, and then you're going to click on Next. But right now, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do that. All right, so I entered my access code and I clicked on Next, and it has taken me to this screen where it says, Welcome to Big Ideas Math. It looks like you are a student at Heritage Christian Junior Senior High School. And to register an account, please fill out the information below. All right, so you're going to, step one, you're going to put in your first name. Please put in your real first name. All right, so as I told you, my name is Practice Person. So I am going to write Practice. And my last name, please put in your real last name. My last name is Person. Enter your password. All right, now this is something you are going to want to write this down. Okay, so it says your password should contain 3 of the following elements: an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a special character and a number. All right, so I'm going to pause for a moment. I'm going to think about what I want to put in my password. I'm going to write that down before I even enter this in. All right, so I've determined what I want my password to be. So I am going to enter that now. And I'm going to enter again on confirm. So I'm going to type it again exactly. All right, now step 5 says student ID. Your student ID, if we had our ID cards, it would be on our ID card. It might be on RenWeb. I'm not really sure. But that is not as important to me. The ID part is not that important. You can write anything in there. Now, earlier, I tried to write in just Practice Person, and I put in a space, and the program would not let me use it. You can only use numbers and letters. So I'm just going to make, I'm just going to say, use alphanumeric characters only for the student ID. So let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's see if that will take. I'm going to say next. Okay, and I'm waiting to see if it's going to take this. So we're waiting. Okay, it says congratulations. Now, please do not skip this. Look carefully at what it says. It says you have successfully registered. Below is your username. Write it, remember it or write it down. Okay, I know you think you're going to remember it. Please write it down, because if you don't remember this, you'll never be able to get in. So I am currently writing down what is going to be my username. Okay, so my username is pperson006, and I already previously wrote down what I wanted my password to be. So those two pieces of information are really important. You must have your username that Big Ideas Math made for you, and then the password that you made for yourself. All right, so now it's going to take me to the login page, and now I can put in my username. And I'm going to put in my password that I made for myself. And I'm going to click on Login. And I personally don't want this to be saved. That's up to you. I'm just going to dismiss that. Okay, and we have successfully created an account. I can see right here that I have a practice class. Remember I told you I was doing a practice class. I have right here practice person. That is my name. So that means I have successfully made an account for myself.